Hi guys, let us understand how to implement tiles framework with a Struts2. So I'll just go to here and say new project, dynamic web project, and I'll give a name here Struts2 with tiles. Okay, select 2.4 version here and next and finish it. Okay, so we have created here. What we'll do now, we will just go to here quickly and we'll make one package, new package, and we'll write here com dot example. Okay, finish it, and here in the web.xml we'll write the code for web.xml. I'll just delete it. Okay, and we'll create a few JSP pages here. I just say file, normal file will create here, and I'll say header, so header.jsp. Finish it, and then again I'll say new file. I'll say here footer.jsp. Okay, and then I'll say new file menu.jsp. Okay, we'll go to here, say new file, and we'll say index dot or say body.jsp first. Okay, finish it, and I'll create a index page here, file index.jsp. I just created a 5 JSP pages, you can see here. Okay, so if this index page will render to my browser, it will come this page as a header, this page as a footer, this page as a menu, this will be as a body. Actually, tiles framework simplifies the user interface and navigation. So you can have something in the header like menu and all. If you click, it will come to the body part. If you can have something in the menu, if you click, it will come to the body part, right? So it will just simplify the navigation and interface, user interface. Now we'll create one layout here in this tiles framework. So we'll go to here web content new, and I'll say here file base layout. Okay, base layout dot JSP. Finish it. I'll tell you what is the code for that. Now next is the library. Here we have already added the library in the previous example, previous session, right? So now come to the library here and select this jar file, and I say copy and I paste it here. Okay, so I added the library also, right? Now apart from this library, if you're working with the tiles framework, you need some other library also, like you can see here I have this commons file upload, all these things are there, right? But apart from this, you need to add this tiles API, tiles core, tiles JSP, and then benutil digester. Okay, and then struts2 tiles plugin. So these are the 4 and 2 6 jar file required to implement the tiles framework with the struts. Okay, So I just copy this one and I say paste it. So I have got all the required jar file here. I added here, right? Now close it. Now we'll go to the header and we'll write some code now. So in the header, what you want? So you can see clearly here, I have a logo. Say one logo will come. You can add a image here. I've just added one massive company logo. Again, another, I have a header line that is first home, contact and login. So these three menu will come on the header, right? Now in the footer, what you want? In the footer, I'll just give a one line of information, that is the copyright information. Okay. So look at here. I'm using H4 align center. This is the copyright symbol. So I'm using here one entity ampersand copy semicolon, like ampersand NBSP, right? Semicolon for the space. So copyright is up to this XYZ limited. Okay. So this is only line I'm writing here. In the menu, let us say I have a menu, 3 4 menu will come. Okay. Now so I have a three menu. What? Login, register, contact. Even I am not using such kind of tag here, so this is also not required. If you use some custom tag, struts tag, then it is required. So in the menu I have this stuff only, right? In the body, where is my body? Just go to the body.jsp here, and I just have one message in the body. Okay, nothing else. So let us say this is my message, this is your body section. This message will come. Whatever the introductions for that application you want to keep, just write something here. I'm not writing much code here. So menu, body, footer, header is ready, right? Now just close it. I'll not do anything with this guy now. Okay, now this is the index and babe.xml here. So in the babe.xml, we just go to here. I have a code here. I'll copy it. So same code will come to here babe.xml and paste it. So what I'm saying here in the babe.xml, these are already we are having welcome file and filter dispatcher and all, right? Apart from this, you have to add a little stuff here like context and the listener. So let us say I have a listener, struts styles listener here, org apache struts2 dot tiles dot struts2 struts styles listener. Now this listener will help you to manage the tiles framework, and we are having one tiles.xml file where in a babe.inf. So we are setting some basic tiles listener definition. Where's the definition? So I have this file. So I need to create a, we'll just go to babe.inf and we'll create one new file, and I will say here file, and I'll give a name here tiles.xml. Okay. So in the babe.inf, I have created one tiles.xml. Okay. So this is only code in the babe.xml here. Now what is the tiles.xml? Look at here. We'll write some code in the tiles.xml here. Now, so we are defining our tiles. So first definition. What definition I have? Base layout, giving the name. Template is my base layout.jsp. Now I created base layout.jsp, but I have not done anything. I'll tell you what we'll write here. So there's a base layout.jsp here. Now this base layout.jsp will refer what? Put attribute name title. So value template, just message will come in the title. For header, header.jsp will come. In the menu part, menu.jsp will go. In the body part, body.jsp will go. In a footer, footer.jsp will go. So we are assigning on the header what file will come. In the footer, what file will come, right? So this is one definition, basic definition, right? Now we are having another definition. Let us say that I will use later. Right now, even if you don't need further, you can this is enough for that, okay? But let us say you are making login page. So once you are doing login page, what are the things will come? Okay, header, footer and menu will be as it is, but only body part will change. So we are saying that in the body part login.jsp will come. If I say login, right? And title is login form. If I say register, so register form should come, but your menu, header and footer should be remain same, right? So that we are not changing, and we are saying here if register happen, so register.def, I will do the mapping here. So body will contain register.jsp. If someone click on the contact, then body will contain what? Contact.jsp, right? So we are having another total 4 definition I have. I mean the total 4 pages will create here, right? One page will contain this, one page will contain all these things will be same, but body will be changed here. Third page again the same, the body will contain register.jsp. Here body will contain contact.jsp, okay? So this is the mapping. So we need to create one JSP page which will map here, right? This is my tiles definition. Close it now. This tile definition is using what? Base layout.jsp. Let us write code in the base layout.jsp. Now here we are saying that this is a DTD and all. Come to here. We are making one layout. What layout? HTML start head having meta tag and title tag, right? So title, whatever the title in the tiles, it will come here, right? Head close, title close now. Now the body. In the body, we are saying make a table, okay, with width of 900 pixel. In that, I have a 3 row, 1 row, 2 row, and 3 row, and table close. First row is containing what? Header. Insert attribute header. Header was having what? Header dot JSP, right? And yet this background will be this color. Similarly, in the footer, we are saying the footer will be having width 900, height is this, background color is this, add the footer. So in the tiles framework, okay, remember in the tiles.xml, we are having that footer means what? Footer.jsp. So here we are referring in the JSP page footer. What is the footer? Footer.jsp, right? Header means header.jsp. Now second row we are dividing into the two column, two TDs here. Here is a TD column span 2, right? So here we are making two column here. First column is containing the menu. Second column is containing the body. So whatever the menu is there, it will come to here. Whatever the content in the body, it will come here. So body.jsp will come. Menu.jsp will come. Okay. So here we are using the tiles colon insert attribute. Okay. So both part has been done now. Next is the index. Now what we'll put in the index? Paste it here. So now you can see here, this is my index page. What we are doing in the index page? We are just writing tiles insert template. So we are using this base layout template, whatever we have mentioned here, right? And then we are saying title. This is my first title and all. And then we are saying header, call header.jsp, menu, menu.jsp, body, body.jsp, footer, footer.jsp. So that file will get invoked, right? So we have done that now, and